Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn about the PTE test. So the full form of PTE test is Pearson Test English or Computer Based English Language Test. There are four main modules: speaking, writing, reading and listening. The cool thing is no person checks your work, it's all checked by a computer, including your spoken words and essays. Because it's a computer test, you get your marks from a computer. It lasts between 2.5 to 3 hours, but most people can finish it in 2.5 hours. Now, about the test format, it has four main parts. Starting with speaking, there are 5 tasks you do. First task, reading out loud. Second task, repeating sentences. Third task, describing pictures. Fourth task, summarizing lectures. And fifth task, answering quick questions. In the first part of the PTE test, called Read Aloud, you get between 5 to 7 questions. Each question gives you a paragraph that you need to read exactly as it is. You're given 30 to 40 seconds to prepare before you read each paragraph. Your score for this part counts towards both your reading and speaking scores. The next part, repeat sentence, also has 5 to 7 questions. Here you listen to a short audio clip of a sentence and then repeat it exactly as you heard it. The scores from this part go towards your speaking and listening scores. In the third part, describe image, you again have 5 to 7 questions. For each question, you need to describe a picture. The picture could be anything: a graph, a bar chart, or a diagram. Your performance in this part affects your reading and speaking scores. The fourth part, retell lecture, also includes 5 to 7 questions. You listen to an audio clip lasting 1 to 3 minutes and have 10 seconds to prepare before you need to retell what you heard. The scores from this part are added to your listening and speaking scores. The last part, answer short questions, has 5 to 7 questions too. You listen to a short audio clip of a question and need to respond in 1 to 3 words. In the PTE test, your scores for listening and speaking are based on how well you do in certain tasks. Now let's talk about the second section of the PTE test format, which is writing. This section has 2 parts. The first part is about summarizing a written text. You might get 1 to 3 questions here, each giving you a paragraph. You need to shorten this paragraph into a summary of 50 to 70 words. You have 10 minutes to do this, and your scores will contribute to both your reading and writing skills. The second part is writing an essay. You're required to write this essay in 4 paragraphs. With a total of 200 to 300 words, you get 20 minutes to complete this task. Moving on to the third section of the PT test, which is about reading. This section includes 5 parts. The first part has 1 to 6 questions where you need to fill in the blanks from the options given. The second part also involves fill in the blanks with options provided for each blank. You have to choose the correct option. The third part, reorder paragraphs, gives you 1 to 3 questions. You're presented with 3 to 6 paragraphs that you need to arrange in the correct order. The fourth part is multiple choice questions with a single answer. You get 1 to 3 questions, each with a paragraph followed by 4 to 6 options. You have to pick the correct option. The fifth part, multiple choice questions with multiple answers, also consists of 1 to 3 questions. You're given paragraphs and need to select the correct answers from multiple options. This is a simplified explanation of the different sections and tasks in the PTE test. For the multiple choice questions with multiple answers, you're given 4 to 6 options and you need to select more than one correct option. Now let's talk about the fourth and last section of the PTE test format, which is listening. This section has 8 parts. Part 1, summarize spoken text. You'll get 1 to 3 questions where you need to listen to an audio clip and then summarize it in 55 to 70 words within 10 minutes. Part 2, multiple choice answers or single line answer. There are 1 to 3 questions. You'll hear an audio clip and then choose the correct option out of 4 to 6 given options. Part 3, multiple choice questions or multiple answers, similar to part 2, but here you will select more than one correct option from the 4 to 6 given. Part 4, highlight correct summary. You get 1 to 2 questions. After listening to an audio clip, you need to select the correct summary from the given options. Part 5, select missing word, also 1 to 2 questions. You listen to an audio clip that ends in a B and you must select the correct word that completes the sentence from 4 to 5 options. Part 6, fill in the blanks. There are 1 to 3 questions where you listen to an audio clip and then fill in the blanks in a transcript with the correct words you hear. Part 7, highlight incorrect words. You get 1 to 2 questions. After listening to an audio clip, you need to identify and click on the incorrect words in the transcript provided. Part 8, write from dictation. This is very important and consists of 5 to 7 questions. You listen to a one-line audio clip and must type exactly what you hear. Thank you for watching our full video. We will also provide you with more information on genuine student requirement interviews and visa process of Australia student and permanent resident. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.